Dahi Vada.
Transfer 1 cup of soaked mash dal for 2 to 3 hours in a jar and little water. Make smooth paste. Smooth paste is done. Transfer mash dal paste in a mixing bowl. Add salt as per taste. Add 2 pinches of baking soda. Mix them nicely. In 2 cups of water, add 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tsp of curd. Mix it. Add 1 tsp of black salt and mix. Heat oil in a kadai. Fry vade. Fry on medium to high flame. Fry until golden brown. Flip on other side and fry. Fry until crisp. Vade are fried well. Remove them. Vades are done. Dip vade in curd water. In 2 cups of curd, add half tsp of salt, black pepper, amchur powder and black salt and pour it on vade. Sprinkle some chopped mint and coriander leaves. Heat 2 to 3 tsps of oil in a frying pan. Add 1 tsp of cumin and mustard seeds. Add few curry leaves. Add 2 to 3 dry red chilies. Add 1 tsp of turmeric powder. Add tempering on dahi vade. Shake to mix well. Tasty dahi vade are done. Tasty and delicious dahi vade are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Explore and Cook. Thanks for watching.